Hello my friends, and welcome to another episode of Inside Out Electronics. And today we're gonna finally give this phone a second chance to live. This phone, I posted video about this phone like ages ago, I don't know, 3-4 years ago, and as you see, the battery is exploded over here. Yes, that was one of my favorite iPhone video where battery is actually poked so much it actually went through. They removed this backing. So today I actually got replacement battery ages. It's actually sitting on my shelf probably for half a year, and now I just decided to fix this poor little bastard of a phone, and I'm honestly not sure what I'm supposed to do. I never actually opened up the iPhone, but looks like a half job already done. By the way, this thing was actually more protruding before. I think it was like about this wide, but now it's like kind of deflated or something. It's sitting in this little baggie for years. So yeah, let's continue and remove this backing, and then I try to re-glue it, I guess, because I'm not sure if it's a thermal glue or whatever. Yeah, but this is what we have. It's already like pretty much half job done, so I'm not sure how much effort I would have to apply here. So to fix this poor iPhone 3, so yeah, I'm gonna have collection of broken old phones, iPhone 3GS, iPhone 4, things like that. It's still pretty nice device. It's good. It's actually really good shape. Unfortunately, it's dead key. So yeah, let's get some tools and try to fix it. Alright, so I guess I have to get some of my pry tools I have here and pry it a little bit further down or further to see if I can. Yeah, I'm not gonna apply too much, like this is probably gonna be useful. Hope I'm not gonna, destroy some sort of NFC thingy or whatever. And also, I do not know what is this. So it's like separated two ways. So looks like there is a plastic of some sort, kind of frame, and then there is this backing, which is glass, I assume. So I have to separate this glass from plastic. Hope it's not gonna crack or anything like that, because that would make me really upset. Again, I'm not sure if I have to apply some heat here. Looks like it's not cooperating on this side at all. So do you guys think this is the time to look at the proper video? Fixing the iPhone. So there are two screws over here. Looks like my pulling is not the best idea. So I probably, let me see if I have those tiny whatever they are. Okay, I have this nice set as I reviewed before, it called 1N15 toolkit. Yeah, check my review over here, and this kit has bazillion of different bits. So let me see what I have here. Okay, so this one is this is Penta something. Penta, it's not Tor. Yeah, it works. So it's 0.8. 0.8. I'm just not gonna even use screwdriver. I can just unscrew it like that. Yeah, probably need screwdriver, it's much easier. Or you can use my little handle like this, which is so much more useful. Probably not in this case, actually. It's more useful in tight spaces. Yeah, look at this teeny tiny screwdriver screw. By the way, this is my design that I shared with people. You can download it on Thingiverse. You can find link in location. I think in the description. This is really useful little device. I'm using it all the time when there is a super tight spots and you cannot use a proper screwdriver like this. Okay, so I think, yeah, it's holy shit. Okay, so this thing has to be repaired. Yeah, I'll just, I guess, let's reglue it somehow. I don't know. I'll figure this out. Seems to be actually it's stuck back on. Whoa, this is mangled big times. Actually, didn't even realize. I thought it just like it's gonna just be like a pillow, but it's actually have this wave. Unless it was like a pillow, but now it's become a wavy because it's just deflated. Maybe it is deflated. So now you need Phillips. I think battery is right here. Okay, those tiny screws. Let's use. Is this all? I don't know what the hell is this. This is a connector. Okay. So, okay, let's pray this battery didn't damage anything. Looks like it did not. Oh wow. I'm curious, what the heck happened to this battery? And why? So I already have 3GS battery, which requires some vivisection, so this is gonna be second one. So it probably deflated by now like big times, like probably negative. So let's open our Chinesium, I assume, battery, but it looks really nice, eh? Looks really nice. Maybe it is even original, who knows? Does it look like original? Well, font is totally different, so yeah, it's really hard to tell. Yeah, whatever, we have no choice, we have what we have. Cool. Okay, so let's put it back on. I don't know what the hell is this thing came from. Is it like supposed to be like this? Is it like a grounding? Yes, it is. It's some sort of grounding point which connects to this over here. Yeah, it's like an antenna or something. Wow. Cool. So that has to be straight. This connector is okay. Doesn't. Oh, what is this? Oh, this is how you remove battery. Nice. Plink. Okay, this has to be bent a little bit. I'm sure, I hope this battery is not dead, because again, as I mentioned, it was sitting on my desk for like probably a year, maybe half a year. I don't even remember when I got it, but I got it quite a while ago. I think I got it exactly the same time when I fixed the other phone, but instead of fixing two phones at the same time, I just completely forgot about this guy. Okay, for some reason this thing is not cooperating, and I'm afraid to apply any. Okay, it's good. Apply any extra pressure. Well, I mean, there is nothing really stopping me to actually power it up, because I don't think it needs anything. This battery sits a bit crooked. I don't know if that's how it's supposed to be, but yeah, it seems to be fine. Okay, let's try to power it up. I don't even know where is the button. Oh, okay, that's a good sign. Let me find some power source. Okay, I have this old school cable here, and the power bank would be nice, but we have USB power. Okay, so, well, it's really dim, but it's charging, and I think I start feeling the battery getting warmer. Okay, well, let it charge, and that's it. Wow, that's quick. That's super quick. I'm gonna use my heat gun, warm up this plate. That'll be just to make sure that glue is actually stick, and just assemble it. That's it. I'll be back because that's a noisy job. Okay, let me see. About half an hour has gone by. Oh, here we are. It is operational. It is operational. Battery is charging. Oh my god, it's so hilarious to see this. What? This old user interface. It's German. Well, whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna let it charge, and I will put it back together. And I also gonna run my Apple, whatever, iTunes, and try to update it to the latest firmware, because I think it was like in a drawer for I don't know how many years. 6, 5, yeah, something like that. Crazy, right? Okay. Gonna disconnect it for now. Just slide this thing. I think that's how it. I think I'm doing it correctly. It's supposed to, maybe not too correctly. That's supposed to just slide like that. Is it? Is it? Yes. And yes, I did glue this back using my... Oh, of course. I have to always forget something. There's a little teeny tiny screw. Are they stainless? Okay. Yes, this screw has to be here. Okay, now we are talking. Just slide it back and use my teeny tiny screwdriver just to secure the lid in place. I'm not gonna put any of Loctite over here, it's just whatever. That's, yeah, this is not appropriate little handle, but ta-da! Alright, okay, let's remove this. So we have clearly successful repair. So now we brought to life this iPhone 4, which was dead ski for like 4 or 5 years, maybe even more. I don't even remember. That's a really old phone, but because it was dead for so long, no one really used it, and it's in pristine shape. Obviously, I don't have any case for it or anything like that. It's just the phone, but it's working. I'm sure we're gonna do with it. Probably put in my cell phone museum, because I have many old cell phones which are in a good shape. It's just collecting them, not recycling them, because I even still have a Motorola clamshell, like V300 or 350 something, 351, something to this extent. Yeah, that was the time. It's a good phone. Alright guys, yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you for repairing together this iPhone 4. Now, at least it's gonna be somewhat useful than useless, dead weight. And see you next time in Inside Out Electronics. Ciao.